It's a privilege being a part of a team that provides wonderful childcare. You've got to really care for the child and you've got to really care for their families as well. It's a very, very important job.
Oh, chyfyr, pwy yw'r bobl ma te?
I spent 29 years in education. I applied for a job as a deputy manager here at Camau Bach. Nursery was a whole new world to me. I wasn't used to young children as such. You've got to change tact, you've got to change your style of approach. Doing my level 3 apprenticeship provided me with a background to nursery education. I needed those tools in order to be supportive of the nursery as a whole. Gwenno has just finished her level 3 apprenticeship. It's been an absolute joy to work with her. I've been there to offer her support and guidance, and we were in a position as well to offer a full-time post here at Camau Bach. I think these apprenticeships are wonderful, to be quite honest, because they open a door to every age, every background. They get you to where you need to be.